Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to see your security code on the Monzo app in 2025. Whether you're verifying a transaction, setting up a new payment, or just double-checking for security, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Monzo app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app lately, go ahead and do that now. Monzo regularly rolls out updates for better security and features. Step 1. Open the Monzo app and head to your home screen. You'll see your account overview, but we're going to your card details. Tap on the card icon, usually at the bottom of the screen, to access your digital card. Next, look for the Security or Details section. In the 2025 version, Monzo has made this even easier. Simply swipe up on your card view or tap the three dots in the corner to expand your options. This will reveal sensitive information like your CVV or security code. Once you're in, you might need to verify your identity for extra protection. Monzo often requires a quick fingerprint scan, Face ID, or a PIN entry to ensure it's really you accessing this info. Don't worry, it's all about keeping your account safe. Pro tip: if you're having trouble, check your app settings under Privacy and Security for any toggles that might hide sensitive data. And remember, never share your security code with anyone, it's for your eyes only. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to view your security code hassle-free. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.